Hi guys, I wanted to share with you. I've been out on the property today and it occurred to me to share about the idea of authenticity, and there's layers and layers and layers of authenticity. And authenticity is having the courage to surrender, and it takes an incredible amount of courage to open our hearts, and it's a blessing when we have the courage to let others truly see our vulnerability. And sometimes it may not be someone who's close to us who we feel safe enough to share with, no matter how much we wish to. We don't have the courage or the safety to feel like we can be vulnerable with, say, our partner or even our parents or our children, because it's just been little tiny things built up over time where we don't feel safe. So if that's the case, sometimes it can be an auntie or a friend or a work colleague, or even just somebody you've met on the bus, and their compassion helps you to shift what you need to go into a deeper level of vulnerability, which leads to authenticity, and it lets the heartache open or release. It lets the shame or the fear or the guilt release, so that then when you go back in with your partner or back in with your children or your parents, you actually have the weight is off your chest, and you can then thereby be authentic with them in a new, refreshed way, without holding on to guilt or blame or fear or any of the other emotions that can make us clench our nervous system. So whatever it takes for you to do to help yourself feel vulnerable, and sometimes it just means having some time in nature on your own, or having a deep bath, or creating tools that help you open your authenticity. And the value in your health is phenomenal, because your authenticity, your body opens, your nervous system opens, your neurological system opens. And sometimes it's just that your whole mind opens to possibilities. It's like decluttering your closet when you declutter your mind or declutter your emotions. So your body, your mind, and your soul ultimately will feel the benefits of allowing yourself to feel vulnerable and deepening your authenticity. I love you. Can't wait to see you. I hope you're all doing really beautiful and well. I love you. God bless. Mwah. Have a beautiful day. Take care.